Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is a box of Happy Mail. That means that someone has been so kind to order yarn and get it sent to me. They asked me for my address and they get it sent to me. And I didn't even know that Aldi was doing a craft event this week. So it's for Easter, but it's a few days after Easter from when it's probably just not been delivered because of the Easter holidays anyway. So let's open this up and we'll have a little look. Muttley's a little eager. He's not had a box to play with for a little while. We'll see if we can get this open. Oh. Just chuck that down there. He's always looking. There's no treats in it. Oh, packaging. Right, we'll just throw that down. Oops, a lot of packaging. Oh, there's a little message here from Aldi. Thanks for your order. I'm getting soon. Oh, look. Hope you like Alison. I like Alison. I hope you like it. Happy Easter. Probably be belated by the time you receive this. Claire. Claire, thank you so much for this. Absolutely amazing. And a great little surprise just slightly after Easter. Now, I'm going to throw these down. And if you hear a bit of noise, it's Muttley playing with them. Where's your ball? Oh, look at these. Whoops! Muttley got right with that one. Look at this. Oh, wow. Ooh. I'm going to tilt my camera just slightly so it looks inside this box. Now, it might move around a little bit. It's quite a large box. Look at this. Wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, these are such pretty colours. Now, Aldi has started doing a lot of craft events in the USA as well, because they have opened a lot of stores in the USA. There's lots in the UK. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think I'll keep these bags and keep these colours together. Look at these together. Would you even think of putting these colours together? Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. It's double knitting and this one's called tan. I'll move my camera up a bit so you can see. You get half in my little office and craft room in there as well. So I'll open this one. Oh, I love the sound of parcels opening. So does Muttley. What are you doing? What you doing? Little faces down there. What? Come and see. What? You want in a bag? Did you want in a bag? He wants a bag. What I'll do is I'll take this out and then I'll put it all into this bigger bag. And I might just give him the bigger bag and I'll keep those together. Because that one's got a hole in it. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. Oh, that's pretty. Right, there you go. There's a bag. Where's your ball? This is a beautiful. We're at this one. The Muttley interrupted us there. Look at, oh, that's soft. That is so soft. It's so crafty yarn. It's double knitting yarn. If you're in the USA, that's a weight 3, and the colour of this is tan. That is so pretty. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 balls of that one. That is so pretty. I'm going to pop that in because there's quite a few bags. So we'll pop that to the Claire. That's amazing. I want to move my cup of coffee out of the way. I've got a cup of coffee sitting there. There we go. We've got this one. This one is cream. Oh, there's a little space there so you can feel it. That's really nice and soft, that one. They are great together. Look at those together. Look at those colours together. And then that one. I think I'll keep them together because look at that. That is so pretty. With that. Right, so where were we? Right, put that down there. So much of this. Now we've got a cream one. And that is double knitting as well. And if you're in the USA, that's a weight 3. I might need to go and put my light on because it's raining outside. So that's a bit better. I've got a bit more light. And if you hear any squeaking noises, it's Muttley with his ball on the floor. This is so pretty. Look at these together. That is so pretty. I am going to keep these 3 packets together. I'm going to I'll put that out of the way just now as well. And we'll get one of these ones. I'm going to put the 3 of them together, see what they're like out of the bag. Muttley's enjoying himself on the floor with all that packing. This one is called Cocoa. That's pretty. Now look at these together. That would make a really pretty blanket all together. Maybe that way with that. Or maybe around that way with that in the middle. That's better, isn't it? And then you would do the white, the cream again at that side. I'm going to keep all these together the way they're in the packs because the colour combination is really, really pretty. That is lovely. Right, I'll pop that one there. And that cream. Now, they're all double knitting. So it's all the same thickness. That's a weight 3 in the USA. And it's Aldi's. It's called So Crafty. There's 100 grams in each ball. There is 300 meters. And it's 100% acrylic. Now, it doesn't tell you on these what size the hook or whatever. I would use with this, I would use a 4.5 or a 5 UK crochet hook for that. That is so pretty. Now, I'm going to move on because there is more in here. There's another 2 big bags full. I'll pop that up there so Muttley doesn't get it. And oh, this one's nice. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I want to open it so we can see it. I'll open this one up so we can see it, but I'll keep it in the bag. I'll keep it in the bag. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's nice. I think that's black. Gunmetal. So it's a dark grey. It's a dark grey. I'll open this one up and take a ball out. And always put it back in. Oh, that is so pretty. Now, it looks black, but there is, as you can see from the light, there is a greyness to it. That is so nice. I'm going to leave that in the box. And I've got that green and that one. I can band-aid. I'll put these on the shelf together. Right, there you go. There's another bag for you. Now, we've got this one. This one is clotted cream. This is clotted cream. Now, we'll take one of those out. They're all the same thickness, so that's all going to be the same yardage. 100 grams a ball. This is so pretty. I'll pop that there just now, and we'll get one of these ones. This one is called Dark Teal. And then there's another triple bag that's there. This is amazing, my goodness. I'll need to go on their website and have a little look and see what they've got left. I didn't even get an email to say that they were doing a craft event. Look at that. That is dark teal. Now look at these together. Absolutely beautiful with that gunmetal grey. If I put that down, you might pick up that grey. There you go. It's got like a sort of silverish grey through it. They're lovely. They even go with those other colours on that other one. So what I'll do is I'll pop them to the side. I'll leave that one, oops. I'll leave these bags in here because there's nothing else down in there. And we'll get these ones. And what I'll do is I'll put that box down on the floor. Oops. I just hope that Butley doesn't rummage around in there. There we go. And I've got my big office chair sitting there. Now in this office, it's actually my spare room. My office. It's quite posh. I still call it the craft room. And I've got two chairs in here. So when I'm sitting on this one that I'm on, then Muttley's on this one. And then when I'm on this one, Muttley's on this big old cream one that I have. This one that I keep sitting on, it's a really big old-fashioned office chair, and it's so amazing. It's really big. Got Muttley down there rummaging around. That's one of my Bavarian blankets that I've made. I've made quite a few of those in that shade of colour. And I keep that one over there and then I fold it and actually sit on that one. Oh, this is beautiful. This one is called Lavender. A noise, Muttley. Oh, it's like Christmas, isn't it? We'll open this up. This is beautiful and such a surprise. It's always a great surprise when you get something through the door and you don't know about it. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. It is so soft as well. That one's called Lavender. Look at all these colours together. Look at these. I'm going to try and squish. Look at all these. Absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful range of colours they've got. I'll pop that one back in the bag and I'll sit that there. And then we've got this grey one. I think this is like a silver grey. That one's light grey. That is beautiful. And it's all so soft. And we'll take one out. I'm going to keep them together. The way that they've arranged those colours together. Now this one is light grey. Now look at this. Grey goes brilliant with a lot of different coloured yarns. Look at it with that. And then look at it with the dark colour. And then even the grey and that one go together. I'll hide that purple one. Look at that. And then you've got that one. It goes with everything. Grey and pink is really pretty as well. I'm going to pop that down there and open this last bag. Because this one is called Plum. I'm going to open this one because I want to keep them together the way that they're done. Look at that. So if I make a blanket and I do it with these three colours, look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Any which way, it's nicer that way, isn't it? With those three, with the grey in the middle. I'm going to definitely keep this lot together because I really like that combination. Now that last one is, what did I say it was? Plum. That one's Plum. That's beautiful. These are beautiful, Claire. Thank you so much, Claire. A little bit of a quick video of this, but that is so pretty. So if you get on the Aldi website, just go onto Google and type in Aldi, and then when you're in Aldi's website, type in the search bar, type in yarn, put the word yarn in. If you're in the UK, don't put wool, it'll come up as yarn even on the Aldi website, and you can have a little look and see what's left, because I'm going to go and have a look as well. Because if they've had a craft event, they're going to have more than this. And oh, it's beautiful. Claire, thank you so much for this. Such a surprise this morning when it came. Thank you to everyone for watching, and if you please click on that subscribe button, please take just a few minutes to, if you haven't subscribed already, to click on that subscribe button. It makes the channel look so much better when there's a lot of subscribers. I do not make any money from YouTube for subscribers. It makes your channel look good if you've got a large number of subscribers with your channel, and it's just that few minutes that it takes for someone to subscribe. It is just so, I'm so thankful for it as well, because you're helping my channel look fantastic and I really do appreciate it. And if you want, you can click on the bell icon and YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. Just takes a few minutes and it's so much appreciated. And once you subscribe to this channel or any channel on YouTube, you can subscribe to every channel on YouTube if you like. So get on that little button there and just click on that subscribe. It'd be very much appreciated for you to take a few minutes and just subscribe to the channel. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.